character, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of my 4-part series. I think it's a 4-part series. We'll see how many videos are going to be in this, but this is the 3rd video. This is what my hair looked like after I did the apple cider vinegar rinse. I noticed that I still had a little bit of bentonite clay still in my hair, so I wanted to follow up with a 3rd deep condition or a wash. Like I said, you guys, my water pressure is not good, and I really wanted to make these videos realistic so you can see how many times I would have to go over my hair when I do the bentonite clay hair mask. This is why I really don't do it while I'm living or while the gyms have been closed, pretty much like I've explained in other videos. But I'm just going to reapply some more mane and tail. Like I told you guys, I have made my own DIY leave-in conditioner, and here I'm showing you my new growth from my postpartum shedding. But yeah, I'm using my own leave-in conditioners to style my hair now, but I have bought 6 bottles of mane and tail, so I'm really just trying to use up all of those bottles, and what better way to do that than trying to get the rest of the bentonite clay out of my hair. And also my scalp is clean. It's just down the length of my hair, and I could have did another apple cider vinegar rinse, but I didn't want to do that. I still wanted to keep like a lot of the moisture in my hair, so I just decided to thoroughly run the conditioner down the length of my hair to try to, you know, get the buildup off my hair just a little bit more. And after I did this last deep conditioner treatment, then my hair was completely clean and I didn't have any more residue on my hair. But here I'm just showing you guys like my postpartum shedding, all the short ends of my hair. I'm really just trying to document this for myself, you guys, and also for you, like if you're going through the same thing, just showing you guys that you're not alone. But I do have my hair sectioned off into 4 sections. I did save the hair that I lost when I was in Atlanta, and I'm going to show you guys how much hair I have lost during this whole wash day process. Probably in a little bit I'm going to be taking a couple of thumbnail pictures, but you guys, my shedding has really come to a cease. Like when I was in Atlanta, this back section had so much hair come out, and as you guys just seen, there was barely any hair that came out of that section. When I show you guys the big ball that I had lost before, it's so crazy the amount of hair that I've lost now. And like I said, this is my first wash, so all of the tea rinses and the tea oils that I was doing while my braids was still in actually really helped my hair stop shedding. But because I had to take my braids out and release all of that shed hair, that's what you guys seen in that previous video when I decided to take all of my hair out. And then once again, you guys, I am not going to be using combs on my hair for at least the next 6 months to a year. I want to make sure that I'm not breaking my hair off and that my hair is not getting pulled or manipulated any more than it needs to be. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm thoroughly getting all the clay off my hair and also making sure that I got all of the shed hair out of my hair when I was in Atlanta. Like, I was literally in a house and I made the house water go cold. I was in there for so long, so I was really trying to hurry up and get all of my hair, the shed hair, out of my head. But you guys, I feel like I didn't get all of the shed hair out. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just thoroughly making sure that my hair is detangled, no more shed hair is in my hair. But even with my hair, like the little shed hair that I did get is so much better. And then just to let you guys know, like I don't even get this much shed hair. Like I'm doing this voiceover, but this was in the past. And once again, I'm so sorry that my camera is not focused on me. It's focused on the plant behind me. Don't know why my camera was doing that, but I couldn't record it again because I needed to show you guys like my hair is no longer shedding and is not a lot of hair coming out. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm just really trying to pour in a lot of information and let you guys know what I'm doing in the process of why I'm doing it. So yeah, I hope these videos is really helping you guys out there. Um, my hair is doing a lot better now. It's growing back very fully and thick, but as of right now in this video, I was just trying to make sure I was doing every step that I know that I could to set myself up for a healthy, successful regrowth for from post-COVID hair. So you guys, this is how much hair that I lost on the right, just recent, and this is all the hair that I lost in Atlanta. And like I said, I was going to take a couple of thumbnails, but you guys seen the difference. I know it was kind of going fast, but I'm going to cover up my head again. Just let that sit, and then I'm going to go style my hair. So please stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching.